The old house.
This is the weird thing when you pull out in somewhere you don't know.
Yeah. The barn. The barn. Yeah, it's a bit chilly. Could definitely do with warming up.
Warming up?
Yeah, the weather needs to warm up.
Yeah.
It's cold.
112 degrees.
That's better. Hello.
There you go, have a look at some views.
Wow.
Same parts of it. This is, I think this is the Peak District National Park.
Look at this road.
Look to the left.
Yeah.
Should have warmer.
Should have what? Yeah, it is warmer. I am very cold right now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's a bit different.
Yeah. Very shit.
Who's optional speed?
Rock climbing or hitchhiking.
Lots of walking around here.
Yeah.
I feel the sun's breaking through.
I hope so.
A little bit. Here we go, here's an idea of height. Wow.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Stunning, isn't it? Take five.
Wow.
It's just going past.
Snow
Start.
How long is it?
I think it's about half the sheep.
Yeah, shoot.
Taking the road. I think it's about 10 miles.
Bikers.
least it's quiet.
True.
When I come along, yeah, it's very busy. More sheep.
Ah,
They're just open to roam, aren't they?
yeah.
I like the picture of the binder, it's very neat now.
Yeah.
That sun's definitely coming out.
Yeah.
Undercover cop.
Yep. I tapped my head. He should have slowed down.
Yeah, and I waved at him to slow down, so it should be okay. I put my hand out of a cover there, it's probably going to come after us. It looked like he was giving tickets.
Yes. He didn't look very fucking happy either.
He ain't going to give us any. So that was a grey unmarked Skoda.
Yeah.
Here comes the sun. See it. Oh, there we go.
That's bad.
That's so much better.
Those sheep are kind of cute. Little baby sheep.
This is where one of the repairs must have been done. I'm sure there was something in here. Oh no, it's that bit.
That was a Skoda. Every Skoda I see, that was going to be like, I'm going to be paranoid.
I think there's one behind us that needs to pull up with us. Just don't panic. No, that one was sunken as well. That's repaired. This is repaired.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've repaired it all. Oh, here we go. There's another one. Oh, yeah, and there. So it looks like there's another one up here. There it is. There you go. That's what happens to the road.
Oh. Rip.
You can see why it's a 50 for safety.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Understandable. Starting to get to the high bits now. This is starting to get to the better bits. It's got all the way going. All bars.
Or he does it every fucking day.
I don't know about that. I go every Saturday. I call them sheep giving the life.
Yeah.
Crazy on the open plane. Look at that down there.
Left, right. Very nice, very nice.
You know as well, I am.
Yes.
Yes.
I have been. Oh.
Look at them people down there, it's tiny. That's someone having a good look at some roof. Here we go. I think this is a bit coming up that made me go a little bit easy.
Roadworks up ahead.
Yeah.
I followed your line.
What happened here?
The road was like a weird camber to kind of.
Yeah. So I think up to the big bit, yeah, I think it's up there.
Yeah, so this is the A57.
How fast, yeah.
It's the A57, yeah.
Oh, is that on the way to...
The A573 or whatever it is. I think so, yeah. From what I remember.
This must be a Rambler's meeting point.
Yes. Look at this left hander, that looks good.
Well, watch out for, oh yeah, it's gradient now, look. We've got seconds.
Oh, it's long descent.
7-8%. Oh. The whole lot of cars up.
Yeah, we are.
This is where the accident was. I think that's... Yeah, this makes sense.
That.
It's right. Stand up. Yeah, this is good.
Wow.
Well, whatever it is.
Wow. Alright, well,
That's it.
I need to live here.
Yeah, this is it. No, just down there on the left.
Alright, that's good. Alright, bends ahead.
7%, not bad.
Knee down on this one.
Yeah, you can, 80. you. I'm too distracted by the view.
Yeah, I can tell. This car behind us is really eager to get going. It's probably undercover.
There'll be a bomber trying to push us along.
That's what I just said, it's probably undercover.
Yeah. Step down the stone and take it out. The fire there.
Way up.
I want to do that. That first shot.
I don't blame them.
Fucking hell, mate. Fucking you. Here we go. That's it.
It's good.
Now we'll find somewhere for a coffee. Coffee.
Oh,
Got a car in
is that crash?
the middle of the road.
What's happened?
Abandoned. I know, it's kind of
Oh,
nice
it's an
car
RSV.
there.
It's a Ford
Oh,
move.
look at that little bit.
Ford problems.
What is everyone doing?
Where are we going? Are we going straight?
Oh, she does look like she's eating.
Oh, she has, yeah.